The complete machine showing. When get the machine, install 4 legs and the video indicated 4 screws. The power cord is connected with 3 firewires, regardless of order. Yellow is ground wire, no 0 wire. If the motor is in reverse, simply exchange 2 firewires position. This is air pump wire, the yellow is ground wire, U2 V2 W2 are fire wire. PC windpipe connection. VC windpipe connection. After finish wire connect, click air pump run and check if there have air blow. If there have air blow, then the wire connect is correct. Otherwise need exchange any 2 fire wire position on air pump. Turn on the switch.